4,000 tests, 91% coverage. Checkout silently dropped thousands of orders. Coverage measures which lines ran, nothing else. It cannot tell the difference between a line you executed and a behavior you actually checked. Call a function inside a try block, assert nothing, and you get 100% coverage of that file and zero confidence. So here's the 5-minute test that tells you the truth. Break your own code on purpose. Flip a less than to a less than or equal. Change a return value to null. Delete one line from your pricing function. Run your suite. If it's all still green, you don't have tests, you have decoration. That's mutation testing by hand, and Stryker automates it. In the complete module, why mocks are a mirror, not a test. How AI writes green tests that verify nothing. What flaky tests cost your whole team. The complete course is at shipreel.dev.